cave we just found.
All the smoke will go upwards too.
I'm just saying, it would be pretty cool to have a campfire down here. People could sit around, smoke go on up. There's a tree right at the top of it. I climb up here. As you can see, it's just a crack in the ground. Like a perfect place to hide a treasure. Yar. Black squirrel.
Yeah, like you fucking
Oh, that's really cool. What's strange is it's like, was this like a creek or something?
Yeah, you'd have to think so. That's what I was like wondering, it's like shove shit down there, like did that go in farther before?
So this is called Stewart Creek Sink, which is a creek that disappears into the ground. Oh, that was a little wetter than I expected. So yeah, it drops down in there. And over here. Oh, this would be crazy too, even with a lot of water. I wonder if it would make like a whirlpool.
Probably intense, yeah.
Well, I have a lot of layers of sock on, so I'm not too sure yet.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's crazy.
Oh, look how carved this is, dude.
Yeah.
This looks like something that, like, man-made. That's the best way to put that.
It's weird that that there's no water at all right now.
That is really cool. Really? How long does it take for that to fucking happen, dude? Like, look at this. The rock on either side has literally been carved down for the water. The water will drop down here and go farther underground. Some poop. Path here.
It was like hay or something like all brought to the back corner. Something desperate in the back. That's crazy.
It's so. I can't believe how much that's carved.
Yeah, that's intense.
That's. I don't know if I've ever seen anything that carved before. Oh wow.
Yeah, it's actually like a little bit like it's like a tent in there.
You could really fuck yourself up easily.
Yeah, when I went down, I kind of like when I went down, I went like from my head right in. And yeah, there's like hay in the back, or like something's like nesting in there.
Oh.
Not like anything big.
Hello.
But it looks like something like cold shit up.
That's really cool.
Yeah, it's like pretty big. It's like probably could fit like fucking like 10 people sitting down in there. Like.
Bring bicycle helmets. Oh, there's more up here.
Oh, this is the one they is in the picture.
Oh wow, that's really cool.
Oh wow. Look at this, I'm going down at that fish for sure. How do I get down there? Look at these like rock cable grips here. Like,
That is crazy.
Trucks are fucking crazy. Like, this is all like underwater.
Yeah, like how does that carve like that, eh?
We need to fill this thing up and put like shitloads of fish and have little lights at the bottom. That would be cool. This is just in your backyard. You found it and you were able like to dig this out.
Oh, that'd be awesome.
I would put lights on the bottom for like fish. That would be so sick.
Well, the scenic caves up in Barrie, that was just someone's backyard where they found the caves. And now it's like a whole tourist attraction that they sell. That'd be pretty sick too, actually. Like, that's so water worn. And now, like, nothing. Does that go all the way in there?
Sorry?
Does that go in?
Yeah, you can like see there. You can see this hole over here in the ground. The lights can see here.
Oh, really?
This light.
There we go. That was a little bit of a thin choice I made right there.
Yeah, I was kind of like.
What did I do? Okay. Sorry, I squeezed through that by accident. Cut up my winter jacket. Oh, crazy. Yeah, there's a little crack of light through there. That is really cool. Some random graffiti. Oh, it goes all the way up. Whoa, almost got my head off of this.
I'm trying to drop this rock.
Okay. Oh, that was awesome. Oh, the spider web's up in here.
Yeah.
I almost got my head off of this fucking corner. Okay, wait 1 second. Okay, you can go all the way underneath this piece. It's all hollow. Alright, get this back up here. I want to get a couple pictures. So this is a pretty special place because everywhere in this park is like this underneath all the rubble and stuff. So you have to actually be careful if you're going off trail. You can fall in these little holes and stuff. But it's also special because that's what the top of the Niagara Escarpment is. Now coming up, you'll see a tree. It completely rotted out from the center. And now this is my buddy sitting in the inside. It's almost like a banana peel. And as we were heading out, we were lucky enough to be graced by this beautiful bird. Thanks a lot, and please subscribe.